Hi guys, welcome back to Tipranks. My name is Annika and here at Tipranks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Well, today we're looking at Microsoft wanting to potentially enter the Metaverse because of their new huge acquisition. They bought Activision Blizzard, which has the ticker ATVI, in an all-cash deal costing $68.1 billion. Now, the Metaverse is one of the most exciting trends for 2022 and the years coming. Many people are excited by the Metaverse, but many are scared. Some people think it's a great way of communicating with people in a virtual reality that feels real, but many think it could detract people from real-life interactions. Whatever your opinions are on the Metaverse, whether it's positive or not, the Metaverse is likely to be here to stay. Also guys, before we jump into this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the Tipranks channel releases a video. Also guys, Julie, Richard and I are hosting a Twitter Spaces on Monday the 8th of March 2022. This will take place at 11 a.m. Central Time and 5 p.m. GMT. And the day after, on Tuesday, 8th of March, Julie and I are hosting a Leading Women of Wall Street panel session. This will take place at 11 a.m. Eastern Time and 4 p.m. GMT. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Microsoft and the Metaverse. So Microsoft has been losing when it comes to search, to Google, and it's also been losing in the social media space to Meta, formerly known as Facebook. But they do not want to lose out on the Metaverse. And this may have been the rationale behind their acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard is an American video game holding company. So the benefits of Microsoft acquiring Activision Blizzard has been quite clear. It gives Microsoft access to games such as Call of Duty and Diablo. Activision Blizzard's games will be available through mobile devices through Microsoft's monthly gameplay service known as Game Pass. The thing is, through this acquisition, Microsoft will be vaguely able to create its own version of the Metaverse in the games that it has acquired through the Activision Blizzard purchase. There are 3 areas where the acquisition will concretely give Microsoft an edge over the other internet titans as the Metaverse becomes a reality. The first is that it will dramatically increase the amount of gaming content that Microsoft will own. The second is that Microsoft will gain Activision Blizzard's 400 million active monthly players. The third is that Microsoft will be able to expand the reach of each of the games currently owned by Activision Blizzard because it has the Xbox Cloud's infrastructure in place now in 26 countries. Microsoft can also make each game available on any mobile device by including it in the monthly Game Pass that was already mentioned earlier, Game Pass. In fact, the Microsoft CEO says that the Metaverse is just games, really. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella understands that the Metaverse is avatars, dwarves in the World of Warcraft, or a cool Forza car. Essentially, each game has its own world, its own economy, and this is where play-to-earn games also come in. In fact, Nadella also claims that this will boost its game building capabilities, which was close to the company's original business of creating software tools for developers. It would enable Microsoft to democratize game building, which today is only done in the context of entertainment, which is what he said. He also said that in the future, these same techniques would bring it to anyone who wants to build any space and have essentially people, places, things digitized. All of this is very exciting, and Microsoft stock is currently priced at $297.15. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 28 ratings, all of them saying it's a buy. The analyst price target on Microsoft is $376.28. This is a 26.63% upside based on 28 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for Microsoft. And if we also go to look at the Tipranks Smart Score for Microsoft, it's a 9 in that it is very likely to outperform the market. Analyst ratings are a strong buy, Tipranks investors are very positive, blogger opinions are bullish, and news sentiment is bullish despite technicals being negative and hedge fund activity having decreased. And also insider activity shows that many have sold shares worth $8 million over the last 3 months. but the return on equity based on fundamentals is 49.05% for the trailing 12 months. Microsoft stock has been trading between $224.26, which is the 52-week low set on March 4th, 2021, and $349.67, which is the 52-week high set on December 27, 2021. Microsoft also brought in revenues of $184.9 billion over the last 12 months with a net income of $71.19 billion. The company has also reported second quarter 2022 earnings of $2.48 per share. This was beating analyst estimates of $2.32 per share by 16 cents. It also reported $8.87 in earnings per share for the previous 4 quarters, beating analyst estimates of $8.10 by a 77 cents during that period. Microsoft's dividend history has also been fantastic. It currently pays 62 cents per share. This is a dividend yield of around 0.8%, which is higher than the sector average of 0.7%. And not to mention the dividend grew 10% during the last year. This is great growth in the dividend, and it has been sustained at this level for several years. One of the really nice things about the dividend growth is that it's outpacing inflation. So you're really gaining real purchasing power over time by owning Microsoft stock. Microsoft also has a solid balance sheet, and it has a current ratio of 2.2, so it has enough current assets on hand to pay its bills for more than 2 years at its current burn rate. This is fantastic given that they just did the acquisition of Activision Blizzard for $68 billion. So they still have enough assets to fund themselves for 2 years, especially given that their acquisition was an all-cash deal. So guys, that's a quick update on Microsoft entering the Metaverse. Are you guys bullish, and do you think they're going to go full throttle into the Metaverse and maybe even create their own Metaverse games? Let us know in the comments below. Also, I'm really excited to announce that Tipranks has launched Tipranks TV. So definitely check out Tipranks TV, where you can watch all our financial videos in an ad-free space. And guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the Tipranks channel releases a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. And also remember, we have the Twitter Spaces with Julie, Richard and I discussing market and stock market news, and that will be on March 7th, so the Monday coming. And all the details for the times are in the description box. And we also have the Leading Women in Wall Street workshop on March 8th, which is this Tuesday coming. And the timings are also linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.